Welcome all. Last time we were dealing with the key of C and we dealt with majors. Today I want us to deal with minor chords. So in the key of C, we said we have 8 notes. The key of C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are the numbering system. So we measured with number 1, number 4, and number 5. But this episode, we are going to deal with number 2, number 3, and number 6. And number 7 will be a diminished chord. So I told you how to form a minor chord. You need to hold on that note, first note. You skip 2, 1, 2. You put your finger and you skip 3, 1, 2, 3. Those are the minors in the key of C. You have this minor, D minor. We have these other minor, which is E minor. We have A minor chord. You understand? And the last one is diminished chord. But I will teach you how to form a diminished chord in the next lesson. So that is how we form minor chords. The question is, how do we merge now and mix up minors with majors to form to play piano? For example, if I want to move from C major chord to come to F major chord, I can pass through E minor chord. Understand? For example, you see, you move from C, you pass through E minor, you go to F. All right? Yeah. For me to move from 1, I want to come to 5. I can pass through 2, or rather D minor or A minor. For example, all right? Understand? And pass through 2 or pass through 6. And you make your music sound good. For example, let me blend the whole thing. You see? Yeah. Thank you for watching. God bless you.